Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our first chapter of chemistry.
Chemistry chapter, the P block elements. In this chapter, we are studying about the oxygen family. As we know that in this P block elements, a lot of non-metals and gases and metallites are occur. So first we are going to read about oxygen family. Oxygen family. Oxygen family means we are talking about O2. O2, the molecular O2, the molecular structure. Molecular structure or formula of oxygen means just like this. Here the double bond are indicate that two electron means one electron pairs are sharing to each other to form O2 molecule. Some students has a problem that can we write the symbol of oxygen like O? We can write, but the O is not, it is unstable. Unstable state means it did not work properly. So we always write the molecular or chemical formula of oxygen is O2, but precisely we are read about oxygen family. So here we are discuss about oxygen molecule. Firstly, you have seen that the symbol of O2, and we can never write oxygen like this. This is false, totally false. Now the next we need to know in which group and periods oxygen is belong. I mean its oxygen is belong 16th group and third period of periodic table. Firstly, we know about what is oxygen. So oxygen is basically gas element, and it does not found in this P block elements as solid. It found in gaseous state totally. Now how we know that the atomic number and atomic weight of oxygen? Basically we have previously read about the oxygen. The oxygen has a element of P block and in gaseous state, and after that atomic number of O2 is 8 and the atomic number and the atomic weight of O2 is 16. Here the two's number, atomic number of O2 is 8 and the atomic weight of O2 is 16. These two numbers and this number is included the number of electrons in oxygen atom, and this number are included the number of electron as well as proton and the number of neutron. So we can say that atomic number as number of electron and proton and atomic weight as the sum of electron as well as proton and neutron. These are the basic things of oxygen atom in p block elements. Now next we discuss or we know about its next features or characteristics. Its next features, the electronic configuration of O2. Here basically you have studied in your previous class the electronic configuration of O2 as NS2 and NP4. These formula are indicate that this formula here n indicate n, small n, and S and P are the subset and n is the number of cell. Here the S and P. S indicates subset and P indicates also subset of O2 atoms or molecule. Here we can say that O2 as atom or molecule or ions. These are the most important things for you. O2 we can consider as atoms, molecules and ions. All three are same kind or same type or same name of O2. So then we are learning now the electronic configuration of O2 and H2. This is the electronic configuration formula of the last orbit of oxygen atom. Now, how can we prove that? Now let us see again. As we know that O2 has the atomic number is 8. Now we distribute these 8 electrons according to electronic configuration like as here 2 1s2 comma 2s2 and 2p4. Here 1s2 2s2 and 2p4. These are the number of electrons which occur in this thing. These are the formula of the last. These are the formula of the last orbit of oxygen atoms. Here you can see in this. Before this, I had write this formula as NS2 and NP4. These are the same things. Here N is the number of cell and these are the number of electrons. So here we can say that most elements of this family can belongs by this formula. This group family belongs by this formula. Here, how we know that? The number of electrons, how can we feel? There we can say that the atomic structure of oxygen is as. First we know that these are the nucleus. Here we put proton and neutron. Proton has a positive charge always, and neutron has no charge. You know that neutron has no charge. It has a neutral property in all the elements. And now the next, here I indicated 1 as 2, means in first orbit we feel 2 electrons. These are the nucleus of the atom, oxygen atom, and the first, this is the first orbit of the oxygen atom, and here we put 2 electrons, this and this. Electron symbol like this, electron has a negative charge, we know that. And the second one is a second cell. 2 indicates first orbit has 2 electrons and second orbit has 4 to 6. There are 6, and this is denote that this P denote that this atom or ions oxygen is belong that block. Here there are total 4 blocks S, P, D, F. The last orbit means we can say that the last electron were fulfilled. In which block it's indicate and it occupies that block. Means we can say that oxygen is belongs to P block. Clearly? Now how then in second orbit we feel like that. There are 4 to 6. We have put or we have filled 6 electrons in these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We mention it and write it as a symbol. Electron has a negative charge like this. So dear students, we have seen the atomic structure of oxygen like that, in which there are 8 electrons and 8 protons is also, but number of neutrons we can find the formula. Atomic weight is equal to number of proton plus neutron. Number of proton plus neutron. Here we can find out the number of neutron of this oxygen atom by this formula. Here AW means atomic weight. That's clear? Now we talk about the next property of oxygen. Basically, oxygen is found in gaseous states. Gaseous states in nature. In nature, or we can also say that it is the most important elements for all living beings. Oxygen is found in gaseous state in nature, and we can also say that it is the most important element for all living beings, because oxygen is compulsory for all of living beings, also me and also all of you, because it is used in our respiratory system to take breath and survive. Now, basically we have known in previous classes, oxygen sometimes many students has a doubt that can we say that oxygen as a compound, but here we can say that as compound, but there are same atom means O2 means oxygen plus oxygen. O2 is formed two molecule of oxygen. We can say that, but it is not compulsory. So we can say it O2 molecule. We never say compounds. Now it's clear. Some other features of O2 is, as we know that the melting point of O2 is -219 degrees Celsius, and the boiling point of O2 is -183 degrees Celsius. These are the two main point of oxygen. Melting point of O2 is -219 degrees Celsius, and boiling point of O2 is -183 degrees Celsius. Some features are more, but today we have a short time. Now I will clear and I will teach you in the next lecture of this. Now then, my dear students, you will prepare for this and you have learned all features, properties about oxygen elements. So that's over.
So students, hope you understood this topic very well. If you have any query or any question regarding this topic, you can ask me on WhatsApp. Take care. Thank you.